This is an Italian Sorrento ware, mid to late 19th century adjustable book slide, and it's made to completely dismantle flat pack for travel. So let's have a closer look at it and show you how that works. So it will extend in length to almost twice the size, and you can see all of this wonderful fretwork decoration is identical to the fretwork above it, so that when the book slide's at its smallest size, it's hidden. It shadows the fretwork in front of it. Lovely bit of attention to detail, that. And that's true not just to the base, but also to the back here. So, to dismantle it, first of all, the cresting rail comes off, and you've got two tongues here which simply sit into these holes here. Then the back lifts off, and you can see that the back has got long dovetails, the full length of the edge there, and they slide into corresponding sockets here. The back has also got these two pins just to help locate, and you've got two holes in the back there for that very purpose. So with the back off and the cresting rail off, of course that just folds down like that. That will sit on top, that will sit on top, and you've got a very neat little package of 3 pieces that form the book slide. Now, this wasn't made to dismantle, particularly for an army officer going off on campaign, but really it was meant for the many tourists who would go to Sorrento on the southern west coast of Italy, to give them something which they could take home. They could pack it up easily in their baggage, take it home, and they would have a very well made, lovely item to show off to their guests perhaps after dinner. And there was a tradition across Europe of places that attracted visitors, supplying them with souvenirs. You've got Killarney ware, you've got Tunbridge ware, you've got all of the carving that is called Black Forest carving. So there was quite a big tradition, and certainly this tradition was very strong in Sorrento. And with Sorrento, you'll see that they have typically inlaid scenes on their work of peasants in local dress, dancing or working, etc. Now this is made of walnut, but there's got plenty of inlaid woods that it's used. Typically olive wood is used, fruit woods. You can see there's also colouring to the inlaid banding here. Now, as far as Sorrento ware goes, this is probably the most involved piece that we've had. The detail to it, the fretwork, the inlay is several steps above other pieces we've had. We've had folding mirrors before, we've had bright and bun travelling candlesticks, we've even had a table. And there were lots of family cottage workshops, cottage industries supplying the many tourists who came to Sorrento with gifts to take home. And the detail on this one really is fantastic. I mean, even if you look at the fretwork leaves here, they've even drawn on it just with black lines to emphasize the work, and the inlay of the figures, just wonderful. You've got them on the end panels as well. And of course, to the base. So to see how it works, this is the underside, and it's simply on a tongue and groove, so it'll slide out, and you've got a stop bar here to hold it when it reaches its maximum position. As we said before, the back has got these long dovetails which slide into corresponding cut sections to the back, and then your cresting rail just drops in neatly like that. Now this is quite a delicate piece of work, all of this fret work, which lends itself so wonderfully to decoration. So you do have the odd bit of damage. You can see that there's been a split here, and that's been repaired. On this panel here, you've got a split to the wood which runs through there. I mean, it's cosmetic really. You're not really going to get that restored. It's not going to move any further, I don't think. It's part of its history, but it's as well that you know about it. And I would say it's the best bit of Sorrento ware that we've ever had. Just the work that has gone into produce this must have taken hours and hours and hours. We don't know the workshop that it came from, the family that it came from, but they were obviously highly skilled. So to sum it up, it is a adjustable Sorrento ware book slide made to dismantle, flat pack to bring back after your holiday to Italy. It's made of walnut with various other inlaid woods to add to the decoration, and it's mid to late 19th century. Wonderful item.